Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Friday morning, October 31st, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Biomed News breaks Oncotelic Therapeutics, Inc., OTOTLC, to present SAPUVU-3 data at 2025 San Antonio Breast Cancer Symposium. Oncotelic Therapeutics, OTLC, will present Sapu Nano's investigational intravenous deciparticle TM everolimus at the 2025 San Antonio Breast Cancer Symposium. SAPUVU-3, developed by a joint venture between Oncotelic and Dragon Oversea, aims to improve bioavailability, reduce toxicity, and enhance tumor penetration in HER2 metastatic breast cancer, RCC, and NET. Oncotelic Therapeutics focuses on developing oncology and immunotherapy products to address high unmet need cancers and rare pediatric indications. CEO Dr. Vuong Trio has filed over 150 patent applications and holds 39 issued U.S. patents. For more information on OTLC, visit the company's newsroom at IBFM/OTLC.
Improving care for life-threatening blood clots. The American Heart Association is launching a 3-year quality improvement initiative supported by Inari, now part of Stryker, to enhance care for pulmonary embolism. Despite progress, PE remains underdiagnosed and inconsistently managed. The initiative aims to identify and address care gaps, develop solutions, and share insights to improve health outcomes. By examining barriers to implementation, the initiative seeks to provide new data and frameworks to accelerate PE care. PE is a type of venous thromboembolism, contributing to up to 100,000 deaths annually in the U.S. Stryker, Inari Division President Tim Lanier, expressed pride in supporting this initiative to ensure equitable access to the best treatment for all patients. Learn more at heart.org/PE quality improvement.
ABVC BioPharma receives additional $100,000 licensing payment from Oncotelic BioPharma, bringing total payments to $695,950. ABVC BioPharma Inc. announced receiving an additional $100,000 licensing payment from Oncotelic BioPharma, totaling $695,950. Oncox's focus on plant-based cancer therapies has led to collaborations with Japanese biomedical companies for gene-oriented and anti-fibrosis technologies. ABVC's value amplification model includes short-term licensing payments and long-term royalty profits. With a potential revenue pool of $14.25 million, ABVC has received $2.4 million so far. Dr. Udam Patil, CEO of ABVC, highlighted the partnership's progress and the company's licensing-driven business model. Oncotelic BioPharma, known for cancer immunotherapies, is expanding into supportive care and preventative health using natural ingredients. The company is preparing for clinical milestones and international partnerships to bring innovative therapies worldwide. Dr. Easton L. Manderson, appointed Regional Medical Director at Emerywell Clinics. Dr. Easton L. Manderson, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with over 40 years of experience, has been appointed as Regional Medical Director at Emerywell Clinics. Dr. Manderson, known for his clinical excellence and leadership, earned his medical degree from Howard University College of Medicine and completed his orthopedic residency at Johns Hopkins University. With a focus on sports injury recovery, arthroscopic surgery, and trauma treatment, Dr. Manderson's expertise will enhance Emerywell's patient care approach. His appointment aligns with Emerywell's mission to provide high-quality healthcare services in the Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia region for over 14 years. Eco-friendly solutions for medical facility cleaning. Southern Green residential and commercial cleaning has become the go-to choice for medical facility cleaning in Central Florida, standing out for its use of eco-friendly products and sustainable methods. By employing non-toxic cleaning agents, low VOC products, reusable materials, and eco-certified products, Southern Green ensures a safe and pristine environment for patients, staff, and visitors. Their focus on waste reduction, water and energy conservation, and verified sustainability certifications sets them apart in the industry. Healthcare providers can rely on Southern Green to deliver high-quality, environmentally conscious cleaning services that promote both cleanliness and sustainability in medical settings. Hancock Health and Arrive AI introduce robotic delivery program at Hancock Regional Hospital. Arrive AI and Hancock Health have launched a 2-year partnership to explore the transformative potential of robotic automation for medical deliveries within hospitals. The collaboration aims to unlock cost savings and operational efficiencies using Arrive AI technology. Operations began with the deployment of an Arrive point at Hancock Regional Hospital, serving as a secure hub for the drop-off and pickup of biospecimens from the cancer center. This partnership positions Hancock Health at the forefront of autonomous medical logistics, with plans to expand across their network of more than 30 locations in East Central Indiana. The phased rollout includes readiness evaluation, technology installation at the cancer center and lab, optimized delivery routes, and the introduction of drone-based transport for time-sensitive medical deliveries. Arrive AI anticipates developing a scalable framework by September 2027 to integrate ground robotics, courier networks, and drones across Hancock Health's entire network.
HeartBeam schedules third quarter 2025 conference call for November 13th. HeartBeam, a medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, has scheduled a conference call on November 13th, 2025 at 4:30 p.m. ET to discuss its third quarter results. The call will also cover regulatory progress, commercial readiness activities, and upcoming milestones. HeartBeam is focused on transforming cardiac care through personalized insights with a cable-free device that can collect ECG signals in 3D. This technology aims to provide actionable heart intelligence outside of medical facilities. The company's 3D ECG technology received FDA clearance for arrhythmia assessment in December 2024, and the 12-lead ECG synthesis software is currently under FDA review. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at ibn.f/beat.
Empowering Caregivers Conference returns to Broward County. The 2025 Empowering Caregivers Conference, hosted by the Area Agency on Aging of Broward County, will take place on Wednesday, November 19th, at the Illuminate event venue in Sunrise, FL. This free event aims to support older adults and caregivers, especially those caring for individuals with Alzheimer's and dementia-related diseases. Attendees can expect expert-led sessions, community resources, and networking opportunities. Registration opens at 8:30 a.m., with the conference running from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Lunch and goodie bags will be provided. The conference will feature speakers from the Dementia Care and Cure Initiative Task Force, including representatives from the Alzheimer's Association and Memorial Healthcare System. To register, visit the Area Agency on Aging of Broward County website. Sheehy Auto Stores drives forward for heart health, donating $351,000 to the American Heart Association. Sheehy Auto Stores has donated $351,000 to the American Heart Association through its Sheehy Has Heart campaign, raising funds for cardiovascular research, prevention, and education. Since 2014, Sheehy has contributed over $3.3 million to support the AHA's mission. The company's employees, customers, and partners rallied together to make a meaningful difference for families affected by heart disease. Sheehy's 30 dealerships across Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. hosted community events promoting heart health, demonstrating their commitment to community engagement. The annual campaign has become a signature tradition, blending corporate philanthropy and employee engagement to advance heart health. For more information on Sheehy Auto Stores' community initiatives, visit sheehyhashart.org.
19 women's college basketball coaches join forces to improve women's cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular disease is the leading killer of women in the U.S., with over 440,000 lives lost each year. In a groundbreaking move, 19 NCAA women's college basketball coaches have joined forces in the Hearts on the Court collective to raise awareness and empower women to take charge of their heart health. Led by LSU's Kim Mulkey, the collective will promote Life's Essential 8 for women, emphasizing key health numbers, healthy eating, physical activity, and more. With cardiovascular disease being largely preventable, these coaches are championing women's health to ensure a healthier future for all. Learn more at goredforwomen.org. Bio CEO warns U.S. could lose biotech leadership within 2 years. GeoVax calls on Congress and administration to act now. GeoVax Labs Inc. responds to John Crowley's warning that U.S. could lose biotech leadership to China within 2 years. Urgent actions needed include diversifying vaccine platforms, onshoring manufacturing, and protecting high-risk populations. GeoVax calls on Congress and the administration to invest in these priorities. The company highlights GeoMVA for critical vaccine supply and GeoCM04S1 for immunocompromised individuals. GeoVax emphasizes the importance of acting now to secure public health and U.S. leadership in biotechnology.
Supreme Group welcomes Ollie Johnston as EVP to lead platform growth and transformation strategy to advance integrated platform vision. Supreme Group, a next-generation agency platform for healthcare and life sciences marketing and communications, has appointed Ollie Johnston as Executive Vice President, Platform Growth and Transformation. Johnston will lead strategic initiatives to expand client access to the platform's expertise and enhance market position. With a background at Anisio Evoke and other leading agencies, Johnston brings a deep understanding of client challenges and a talent for driving growth. CEO Tom Donnelly expressed excitement for Johnston's role in evolving Supreme Group to meet client needs and drive faster growth. Supreme Group, backed by Trinity Hunt Partners, is an integrated platform focused on healthcare and life sciences marketing, bringing together specialized agencies for measurable impact.
Senior care gets an upgrade. How LogicMark's patent and privacy technology helps it better manage customer data security. LogicMark Inc., a maker of personal emergency response systems, prioritizes privacy and security in senior care. Their patented token and privacy technology ensures encrypted data sharing with strict access controls, protecting sensitive health data from unauthorized access. By incorporating blockchain technology and encrypted data containers, LogicMark offers HIPAA-level data security without oversight. In emergency scenarios, 24/7 monitoring services can access necessary medical information temporarily, ensuring data privacy. LogicMark's technology safeguards customer data, providing peace of mind in managing health emergencies.
Investor news breaks. HeartBeam Inc. NASDAQ beat schedules third quarter 2025 conference call for November 13th. HeartBeam Inc., a medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, has scheduled a conference call for Thursday, November 13th, 2025, at 4:30 p.m. ET to discuss its third quarter results. The call will also cover regulatory progress, commercial readiness activities, and upcoming milestones. HeartBeam is focused on transforming cardiac care through personalized insights. The company has developed a cable-free device capable of collecting ECG signals in 3D and synthesizing them into a 12-lead ECG. This technology allows for portable monitoring of cardiac conditions outside of medical facilities. HeartBeam's 3D ECG technology received FDA clearance for arrhythmia assessment in December 2024, and the 12-lead ECG synthesis software is currently under FDA review.
$37.5 million grant announced to boost management of infectious diseases in the U.S. On October 15th, NETEC announced a $37.5 million grant targeting high-consequence infectious diseases. Laboratories working with high-consequence pathogens were encouraged to apply for a chance to be among the 75 healthcare facilities selected to receive part of the grant. This initiative aims to enhance the management of infectious diseases. The grants come at a time when companies like Sologenics Inc. are heavily investing in similar endeavors.
Investor news breaks. Quantum BioPharma Limited, NASDAQ QNTM, announces private placement of Class A multiple voting shares. Quantum Biopharma, a biopharmaceutical company, has announced a private placement of up to 30 Class A multiple voting shares at $25 per share for gross proceeds of up to $750. The offering, approved by shareholders on September 26, 2025, is expected to be fully subscribed by entities controlled by Zishan Saeed and Anthony Durkach. Upon completion, voting rights attached to the Class A shares will increase to 75.27%. Proceeds will be used for general working capital.
Network news breaks Oncotelic Therapeutics, Inc. OTLC, featured in Network Newswire. Editorial on nanomedicine advances. Oncotelic Therapeutics, ALC, was recently featured in a Network Newswire editorial focusing on nanomedicine advancements in oncology drug delivery. The editorial highlights how nanocarrier-based delivery is improving cancer therapy by increasing efficacy and reducing toxicity. Oncotelic's DesiParticle platform is recognized for its potential to enhance the bioavailability and effectiveness of oncology drugs, contributing to the evolution of precision nanomedicine. The company, led by CEO Dr. Vuong Trio, is dedicated to addressing high unmet need cancers and rare pediatric indications through innovative therapeutic candidates. With a strong portfolio of patents and strategic partnerships, Oncotelic is positioned as a key player in the oncology and rare disease therapeutic space. Investor news breaks. ADTXT Inc., NASDAQ ADTX, announces 1-for-113 reverse stock split, effective November 3, 2025. ADTXT Inc., a social innovation platform accelerating health innovations, will implement a 1-for-113 reverse stock split of its common stock effective November 3, 2025. Stockholders approved the move on September 23, 2025, to help the company regain compliance with NASDAQ's minimum bid price requirement. Following the split, every 113 shares will convert into 1 share. ADTXT operates programs focused on autoimmunity, cancer detection, infectious diseases, and women's health. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at ibn.fm/ADTX.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.